I make you come off a bed look easier to them.
Yes, girl, but you have Vani, the difference with me. Me did do tummy talk.
Alright, doctor, tell me say no, make me do that because I'm too young and I need more kids.
All right. So me do tummy talk, so that's why you know in a more pain than me, you know. But me know the BBL hurt bad.
What? Like a hell, my blood clot there.
Yes.
I want new flower, me have about 6 flower. Let me see if this lock come here. Let me catch it.
Well, you're not leak. You're not leak, so that's a good sign.
Yeah, the leak is kind of come out a little bit.
All right, girl. So look here, at the third hook that you did, that means say you're good.
I'm up on the last hook.
See, then I couldn't even do the last hook when me do my surgery. You better than me.
You see, hip or in a
Me see it. Vani, you're tough. Me couldn't do third hook. All right, girl. The body is body in. The body is body in, Vani. Yes. The body is body in, girl.
You don't go down.
Yes. The doctor. That Vani, the doctor spend time on you.
I tell you, said Dr. Carvalho, I best doctor in a CG cosmetic with when he come on to BBS. You see all the nurse and my massage me, them say, you don't got to tell me who's your doctor. Just by the curve, I know that's Dr. Carvalho. I'm Mr. Ross, yes.
Vani,
this morning.
You see when you gain a little weight in that body, Vani, me not know how it go. You go mad. That mad the girls them. That mad the girls.
They're mad out already, you know, see? They're mad out already.
What them I say?
No, I donkey. I can't believe somebody argue themselves over 1 month now.
But you must say he soon got the body too.
But they not no money for the body. I tell them I have no money for the body.
Me not ask. He soon got the body too. So somebody didn't say
they not have no money for the body.
Vani,
no money.
You look good, girl. I mean, just up a face say you look so nice.
Can't wait to get me be hot, man. I can't wait. And it burn in your belly, burn.
Yes. How long you going to stay where you at?
No, I can't say unless the time I run cold.
2 weeks? Remove Vani.
I mean the restriction.
You're there. 2 weeks?
I can't tell me say that's the time I get cold. And I see the people that my immigration.
No, but at full time.
Everybody about them will call ice. Everybody will call ice now, you know. I can't tell them when me I go ahead. Them have to just see me.
All right, listen what we did one because we did review your case. Which one we did review?
Which case me have? Yeah.
One case where. All right, the case with Tracy. We come for beat you at the place. Listen now.
Where she come for beat me for?
Yeah, you know, say full time for you take away yourself from all of them people there. Vani, me tell you say you're brand new, you know, girl. I know your powers, you know, girl.
Blinger.
Load them.
You're getting, Blinger, you get in the case, but you don't know. Me and that girl is not friend from them long time. They have never spoke back to her. Me and her never in an argument. Mama see me tire catch up at airport and then she just come for me.
All right.
You're not for them a girl and not for them that's one call attack you, no Blinger.
Me know them a do it to me too, but two them can't catch me. But here when they catch me, they can't do that. But listen, how you and Taya meet up? How Taya know say you at the airport that time there? How it go? Cause it not add up to me the story where the girl them a come.
No, I see me see her in her bathroom. She should catch a flight. Me don't know, maybe she go somewhere. Me I go somewhere, she go. Me just land and she come out of Miami.
All right, so.
Eh?
Who go up in a fufa face?
She go up in my face. Here, I go about my business and go in the bathroom. And as I see her, she come out of the bathroom and she stare me down and I stare down and I say, "Lip me now." I said, "Time see me, she go throw me down." And the way she look for me, I never run no joke with you as serious as a judge. So they would have to go to her mom that day. She did laugh. Bear in mind, the bathroom I go for you because I want piss, you know. She did a laugh. So she come up in my face with the back and I butter her out of my face. And same time, the woman, you know, the cleaner them in the bathroom. The man in English speak Spanish, so they start a fear up like them. I say, no, they hold her. And
So
she a say,
why Taya say
come out of the
that one?
bathroom. Come out of the bathroom, meet her at gate. And I say, well, I'm going to go pee because me a pee. So I mean if I come out of the bathroom for you. I go wait for me because I go piss. And I tell her, I say, hold on, let her go pee and come back. And when pee and come back, I don't see her.
So why she say you have your two and them on your side? Like who going to people face and the people them have them two on them side?
No, what happened is that, no, so when I go into the bathroom, I'm telling her, I say, see me, I do something now. Me stand up at a distance, she stand up at a distance when we talk. So why would they know what me I said, do something now? She say, I mean, like she say, I mean, I want lick in Ivany, I mean, I want lick it. So I say, true, you're a citizen now, you feel like you can come ramp with me in the bathroom and get away with it. Them all deport one and one go to station, because it now go end well to me. Come down in my, that's when she walk down for me now. And when she walk down for me now, she have one water bucket. And you know when somebody a pint, and she pint it so close in my face, I say, I me no want to do nothing. I'm lick her in her blood clot for it, butter her in her forehead, and say, pussy don't ramp with me. And at the same time, the woman them, we are clean up in the bathroom. Fear up and thought us chat in Spanish. You know what them say, but then they are fear up and then like one of them one on pantaya and she get mad and she, you know when somebody one on pantaya you go and like, you try to ring out of their hand.
Yeah.
But I so come all the attention now was on she for carry she outside because she kill up herself in the bathroom. While she go out, she tell me her what call it, gate number. And like she tell me say, if you come there. So I say, wait until I done piss, because piss me come for piss. And you do what you have to do, and I do what I have to do. So wait till I piss, I come outside. So I go pee, when I come out, I no see her. But even if I did remember her gate number, what she tell me, I still not going to go up there because, and first she did tell me, say, no camera in the bathroom, so yes, she can fuck me up in here. Remember camera outside, so me want to catch on camera, follow you, got your gate for them, say, really and truly, I'm in trouble, because why am I follow you? Gone off your gate and this is not my part for catching a flight or when me have to write this off follow back of you. But she eat it because when me the live, she the live, I'm still did it downstairs and try to collect my bag. So she, as a citizen where they can't get deported so easily, you should have come back downstairs which part me I collect my bag knowing that them can easily well and me. You should have come back for me. I mean, I asked right if me I did sit to sit there and I go so.
Well guys, when I hear this a different story now from Vanya so. Because
as I go and I'm going to change my story, bling on. Let me tell you something. Me need for lie, me need for change story. I saw it go. Go on any screen record and listen me back and see if me change what me talk say. Exactly like you hear me talk it, I saw it go.
alright.
You can't come in on my face with no backline and butt out of my face. When me know me can't win.
Somebody come up in my face but me have to shout the person like me and move your hand.
And she did that close in my face too, you know. She did a close up in my face with the buckle. So lucky me never have a pen or something come with a stab her in her face in her bathroom.
Alright. None of that no go on. But a time for Taya stop follow you up now at 2025. No. The Tracy situation. Why Tracy have so much time for come down at the place where you there and do your business for come beat you? Or what caused that? Why you not just leave them alone, Vany? You're in a one class by yourself, dog.
Bringer, what you mean? Let me ask you, what you mean by what mean leave them alone? What you mean by that?
Alright. You see anything there, say? Me can't tell what you
First thing first. You see, as shocking as how everybody is that girl come for me, as some me shocked too.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like you now get you, them was to tell a story now, tell a story good. First, me and this girl know nothing from them long time there. Secondly, me no walk on trouble her. Me not even remember about she. You know, hear me say me and Taya and things at airport and then all of a sudden me just see Tracy on video. Me know about she.
Okay.
She and she just up on live as somebody send me the video. And I say, watch her. Show me video so she outside. Which you see when me did go down for do my blood test them the same day when me fly in. Me dey live the whole time at the surgery place, you know, for hours me dey live, you know. So she know, if I did really want to come for me long time, bring up, somebody I feel link you and tell us, Van, let me tell you something. First thing first, them been no say, me a come to Miami, because me and Kina they have catch up one thing at the airport. So, Bumba Clutcher. If Tracy, whoever tell Tracy say me there at the airport or whatever, she been would have say me at the airport to come to Miami. She been know say me I come to Miami. So you could have been there at the airport and wait for me. They all know so when I come and shirt down and see.
Guys, gonna tap the screen and support the live goal.
Yeah, man, I look up at me, I want nobody disturb me. Yeah, so me run her, me go down a CG cosmetic and she dung the whole long pan live. I watch you. She watch me pan live, you know. You know, long me the live blinger and the girl no come as me left. As me tell the people them say me go away and come back and before that dead. And every time the girl come down his surgery. He still got off a cross and me down there and he no one left. He down there so me down there. Then me tell them me no down there, you know. I go and fix my teeth because my teeth the cracks so I move from this one now because I'm done with them. And I go and fix my teeth. And I come at my location because I say I did one. She come up by the dentist place and there and she act like she don't see the comments. You know what she depend? I tell me for come in her box. Why you want to fight me so much or you want me in her box? No, your cloud chaser views, you look and followers. Because me in her comments and you cuss and all you tell me for do is send your request to come in your box. I say I don't need to send in a request to show you what me do. I can turn on my own live and show the people that we tell us that this me do. So I turn on my live now and show them exactly which part me do. I know I can't say and well, like, I take that for done. Still can't say. In the night now, I see she and Cheese the live. I say I know say Cheese hypocrite at Cheese first time I do man pitney. You know say Cheese there Tracy had over 1 week in a blinger. Me not there Tracy yard for half a day, you know. Half a day, I stay at Tracy yard in a car. But so by the time I reach, we got a supermarket, go buy food, me, she, and Cheese, and her daughter. By we reach back, before the food even start cook, me and the daughter go to Miami, because my son, you know, me and my TikTok friend them. So I'm going to meet up with them for the first time, and for the whole night, me and Tracy daughter, they over my friend them in Miami. Me not come back till 1 a.m. You see, by the time I come back, I just take off my clothes, change over and my jacket, my sweaters and take a plane. Take a Uber go airport because I have an upcoming flight because I need to left the next morning. Tracy, she's there, Tracy had 1 week. So when the body's thing I go on and Tracy not getting a call and she give her a little attitude like her, she not getting a call. She start chat the girl with me, I tell me oh me know see Tracy and move and she tell me about the girl picnic. Say I want a nurse live at the house and a nurse take care. I cheese let me know all of them something there. So when me and Tracy at it now, I start tell Tracy about the things them now. And that's why she want to beat me up because I tell her about her daughter, which she's tell me about. So when I see Cheese in the box now, I say, you know, say hypocrite girl, can you tell me everything? You take God off my crap. I don't know how man Tracy kick off. I know then kick off now and he start confess. I catch him over for one live because the same thing them me a cuss about, I same thing them in turn around a cuss Tracy. All of a sudden now, him a cuss Tracy was dirty. Couple days ago, I up on the live class, him and class Tracy. Him a pick up for Tracy and I run me say, at the beat me I run from Blinger. I can't tell you enough to beat me, you know your own bigger man.
Yeah.
I never up on the live a big friend Tracy, you know. All I hear me a class Cheese, me still a class Tracy, can be still up on the live call Tracy put the vegetable in and me class Tracy. And tell Tracy say anytime sure me I go massage and she for come up there. And me did go get my massage the next day. So she did want to come up the shoulder, come up the same way. I can't tell you enough to come fight me. I hear business that me just I tell you say, who the for your life are biggest hypocrite and them tell me things them. I don't know what happened with him and Tracy. Me hear me tell Tracy say Tracy house dirty and the things them. I mean I say, see. First thing say Tracy always lock the door. But the little girl in a Tracy said that door never lock. So in my sense, Tracy, him tell something, Tracy not either. Tracy knows that she used to me everything here. She spend more time up at the house more than me. Cheese live there. Cheese, she tell Cheese her business too, and them have to sit down and chat little things and what Cheese see up there, Cheese can come back come tell me. So the night when you hear me I bust it up, and you see her the day about she know a truth, she just never did want to say a truth in the life, it probably make Cheese feel away. But deep down she know a truth, everything when I talk, she knows that Cheese tell me.
Alright, so when we want to ask you, what the reason why Tracy want to fight you? And what kind of reason?
Why you don't ask you? If you ask, how me I gonna know that?
Okay, who is this body on a budget, Vani? Who's this?
No. Or
All right,
maybe
hold
if you
on.
want to fight, maybe come and tell her about her daughter. I don't know.
Listen me, Ivany, stop telling I'm not come up here for look no clout, no friend or nothing. Me and
Yeah,
you
you
in
can
the
move
room
on.
and you hear the little girl a grunt. Me in the living room, you never spend one night at Tracy yard. You spend 2 nights at Tracy yard. Stop lying now, girl. What make you make it look so? You spend
Talk
2 nights
Tracy,
at
Chi.
Tracy yard because you
No,
couldn't
talk
get the
Tracy.
flight.
Me no know
We
who
are
me,
life
me no
about
know
one
her
night.
something.
Hold on. Me now butter cheese. Everybody, it is right. We're gonna know who is telling the lie. You need
Hold on,
Right?
you
Vani.
guys need to call Tracy so that the three we can talk and you
All
ask questions and you go find the truth. Because I didn't stay at Tracy yard 2 nights and Tracy
right,
can talk that.
2 nights and the
I
before
didn't
day
stay at
go away. You
Keys,
never
Call
spend one
Tracy.
night. You go
Keys,
there
Everybody
Sunday
talk
and you
Tracy.
leave the
Everybody
Wednesday
talk
before
Tracy.
the man in
Keys,
Ivany and my
Keys,
mama.
Keys, me
Yeah,
go add
So
you back.
brother.
cheese. Tracy. Oh you said Tracy. Door did always close at the
I
little
never
girl.
said
But
always close Ivany. I said close couple time. Listen about the
guys
video.
in the comment section, on my line, didn't she say that when she and Tracy on live talking? Didn't she say Tracy? The door not out. Me can't fit my mom.
All the
Tracy said
time,
Tracy. The
all
door
the
not
time.
always closed and
Keys.
Tracy
Hold
can
on,
door
all
and
the
say
time. Me never. Well, if me
no,
say
it
all
don't
the time,
always
maybe through me
close.
dark, me maybe make a
All
mistake,
right,
but I
Cheese,
never
me go
all
add
the
you back.
time.
Cheese, me go add you back.